Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be playing Gorilla Tag and we're going to be burping in people's faces again, but I'm only going to do this a certain amount of time, so don't push me too far. And this is the only type of content that I have in my brain that can function right now. So yeah, if you want to give me some Gorilla Tag ideas, or any ideas would be great. Or if you guys want me to try out a new game, that would also be great. Just letting you know, if it's a horror game, don't expect me to be screaming and pooping and peeing my brain cells out, because I do not get scared easily. So let's go.
Yo, Bree, what's your favorite Gorilla Tag YouTuber? Is it Yum Yum? What the heck was that? What's your favorite girl? Oh, never mind.
Imagine.
Oh my god.
Gay.
Guys, did you know a city infection game is not possible?
Yo,
Infection
stop
game?
moving, stop moving. Stop moving. Thank you.
What?
Guys, who here hates LGBTQ? I'm kidding. Who hates LGBTQ? Who hates LGBTQ?
Oh, LGBTQ.
Yeah.
That
I hate it. I support Christians, so
Yeah, same bro.
religion
I
will
support Christian.
Me too.
And guess what, bro?
Probably a lobby that isn't.
I'm a
Probably
burper.
a lobby that doesn't think everything is homophobic.
I know.
I know, right?
By the way,
Actually,
guys,
normal
lobby.
My bad, bro. Look at the queso burps. What can I buy? Whatever. That's another video.
Why do you have so many cosmetics? I've been playing this game for so long. Why
I got
do you
queso
aggressively
burp.
against
Oh. Yo, bro. Nah, bro. Come here. My bad, bro. My bad. I have no manners.
I am so excited.
Got. I like that name, Gat.
Who wants to be ghost? Who wants to be ghost?
Bro, there's no one new joining that lobby or leaving. I'm gonna try a different one. Hopefully it's more popular.
How do you miss the old city?
My bad, bro. I have no
How do you
manners.
want to be ghost? Who wants to be ghost? Who wants to be ghost? Who wants to be ghost? You do?
My bad, bro.
You're so
I'm sorry, bro. That was. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was wrong.
A long time ago, did I
I'm
say
sorry,
you
bro.
look
That
like
was wrong.
That's so. Shut the fuck up. Come here, bitch.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Well, he's getting reported.
Ah, shoot. Baby, oh.
Yo, Pink. Pink. Wait, come here. Come down here. Come over here. Sorry about that. Are you a girl? There you go.
Oh my lord.
I farted. Yo, white. My bad, bro. Yo! Give me some more of that. Do you get him? Do you get him at all?
I need a miter.
Bro, what was that sound? My bad. I got no manners.
I think you need some like.
Shut up. Cyan. Bro, what was that noise? My bad. I got the queso burps, I'm sorry. Yo, feather hat. My bad. Bet you want some more of that? Bet. Nah, bro, you want some more? Nah, bro, you want some more of that? Aw.
Better at the game.
Yo, wait, blue, tan, top hat.
Guys, if I could get
Top hat with the guitar. Yo, what's up? Hold on.
Even though I'm not. This kid's fucking weird. What are you weirdo? Get away from me. I can report you for that. That's being weird. That's being a pervert. If you want to join the talent show, FFF. If you want to join the talent show.
Wait, how many Fs?
Anyone can come.
No, I knew it to go here. Okay, whatever. Burps. Yo, sun hat.
What the heck was that?
Sorry, man. I got the big back burps. I'm sorry, man. Yo, man, come here, bro. Sorry about that noise.
What?
Horrible evening, horrible night, and I've had a bad morning.
Same. My man. I'm a crafty. No, you black. You're black.
You do not know what tutorial is. That's
I'm going up.
Who's laughing like that?
Stop me.
I love doing that. Yo, party at, what's up? Yo, party at, I need to have a serious conversation with you. You're gonna mute everyone else but you. Because you're special. Oh, wait, crap. Oh. Okay, party at, I need to tell you something.
Give me a moment. Bro, give me a moment. Oh.
Alright, come here.
Okay, I'm good. That thing is like 200,000, bro. The pure force, the pure sheer. You probably had the best. Green.
What?
I gotta say something.
Yo.
Get away.
Don't ever say that again to me. You hear me? No.
I'm waiting for it, bro. Get away. You burp into my face one more time, I swear to God. Hey, there, come down here.
Sorry about that, man. Sorry.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Mannequin. Fuck you. You want to see a special power? You're not supposed to move when I'm
Do you want to see one of my special powers? That's a small bit of my power.
I'm going insane.
You chase me while burping? Chase me while burping. Where'd you go? Not you, bro. Not you. Get back. Okay, this guy's chasing me while burping. Needed to say black probably flew out of the map.
No, he's gone. Yay, he's not gonna.
No backshot. Hey, get back here, you mannequin.
My bad.
Stop burping, Green. You're always ruining it.
By the way, rate my goofy on laugh 1 to 10. Yo, Purple. Purple, want to see one of my superpowers?
Yeah.
Are you great? That's okay. Stop it.
Oh, you were so fake. I'm not done yet.
Second floor.
I didn't feel that tickle. But what?
Where did you
No,
Yo, Bob. Bob.
go?
Bob. My bad.
I guess he wanted more. He wanted more. They put him. Who don't like you?
Where did he go?
Yes, you know.
You're pointing at me for sure. You're pointing at me for sure. There's no way he was not pointing at me. Where'd he go? Oh, never mind. Where's he at, bro?
Hey, everybody else, voting?
My bad.
Who thinks Spider-Man is better than Miles Morales? Who thinks which is better?
Miles Morales. Here, let me see that in your language.
Oh my god.
Miles Morales.
Everybody, go to mirror and say if Spider-Man or Miles Morales is better.
Here, wait. Let me say it to your face. Let me say it to your face.
Peter Parker.
Miles Morales.
I mean, keeping people. Okay, I'll be Miles Morales. Hey, anybody else think Spider-Man is better than Miles Morales?
Where'd he go?
Does anybody think Miles
One last
Morales
burp for
is
the
better than
Floppy.
Bro, this is hilarious. Yo, Blue, party out. Timmy, Timmy. Do you want to see one of my superpowers?
This is one.
what the Sigma? You guys don't want a goodie?
Bro, the city lobby is so dead right now. Like, I'm not even serious. Like, I'm so serious right now. My bad. Hey, Blue.
You
Hey,
can't go
hey.
and
I got a very important question for you, Blue. I got a very important question.
and then,
Sorry about that
okay,
noise.
so it hey, hey, hey. I hit that.
I smell you.
Emo.
Yo, bro, ew. Who farted? Bro, was it you? Cuz.
I smell you.
Yo, wait, do you have a mic? Yo, Purple, do you have a microphone? Yo, I got a question for you. Did you fart? Cuz.
I smell you.
What's happening right here? It's creeping me out.
Eh. Eh.
You're in a ditch.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yo, I got a question for you. Wait, I got a question for you. Did you fart? Cuz.
I smell you.
Oh, I didn't smell that fart, Big Danny. I can't smell you. I can't smell you. Oh, I went to smell him. I want to see how smelly he was. Oh, better look next time. Yo, Sharkat, do you have a microphone? Do you have a mic? Yo, Purple.
Eh.
Yo, Red, I got a question for you. Bro, what was that noise?
Are you a YouTuber? Are
Maybe.
you a YouTuber? You what?
This is not a video.
Okay.
What did you just do to me? Oh.
Did you just have some Sprite, bro? Did you just throw the Sprite?
No, I ate my grandma on accident.
Sprite cranberry?
Yeah.
Yo, breath stink. No. Stand still.
Yummy.
It's just food.
Yo, Blue, I got a very important question to ask you. What's your favorite movie? Why'd you punch me, man?
Green.
What?
You're being weird.
Hey, Jackson, watch your mouth.
I know.
Sorry about that. Actually, I'm sorry.
Brian and black.
No, come here. Let me burp in your face.
Get this competitive, black. Get this competitive.
I don't know what that is.
Come on, Black. Purple. We gotta run.
I'll find another target. Yo, what's up? Bill Cipher!
Bill Cipher.
Did you just punch me?
Matthew.
Don't punch me.
What from what? Yeah, I'm not gonna.
I-
I'm gonna have to leave. Just give me a second, Mom.
High up.
Oh, shoot.
Come on.
Hey, yo, I'll be right there, bro.
Hold on, I can't leave the server yet. I don't know. I'm not bad. With my...
I'll never be there.
I made it.
Adam made it. Come on, Black.
I'll never make it.
Leave him alone.
Goofy. 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 Goofy.
He's right there.
Goofy man.
That's right.
Go, Black. Run.
T-pose. I'm powerful.
Take that, Green. I did two green.
What the hell?
I wasn't aiming for you, so that doesn't count as a juke.
I thought you were after both of us.
No, I'm after Black. I burped in your face. If you let me burp in your face, I won't do it again.
Huh? What? What? Huh?
Hey, Blue. Just ignore them. Just ignore them.
Black, your partner.
What do you mean by that?
I'm sorry.
We're partners.
Wait, in what means? Girl, what means?
That burp was tasty.
I'll chase after Green.
Oh, hell no! He's after me! He's after me! Why me? After purple!
Why is
That
he
burp
after
was
me?
delicious.
Like he doesn't care about me.
I found you.
Black leaves. Wait, if Black leaves, it's to me.
You made it.
Him leave.
Help me.
You made him leave. You made him
No, I
leave.
didn't. No, I didn't.
Stop lying. Now give me a kiss, you sexy monster. Why don't you give me a kiss? I know how to do it. I got it.
I can see you. I'm not in the mood. I can see. Ever make it? I do not got this. I'll never
What's up?
be
For a
this.
split second, you just
Green doesn't care about me anymore.
wait. Could
I'll never make it.
doesn't even show?
Yummy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it doesn't even show you in the mirror.
Green. You're goofy, Green.
Yummy.
Wait, there's practice.
Yo, Pink. I'm sorry for what you had to hear.
I really want to get it. I'll never make it.
What the? Come over here.
Juicy lick.
What are you?
Yo, party out. Party cat. My bad, bro. I did not mean to burp. I'm so sorry, bro. That I have no manners. I have no manners. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Try.
I should not have burped to a little kid.
Try competitive course with me. Wait, what?
Yo, bro. Green.
To do a competitive-
Green.
I'll do it.
Green.
You're okay.
Yummy.
Monkeys, Cora. I'm not
You guys are
being
fucking
monkeys.
Whoa.
I'm talking about this.
Okay.
Oh, I can't do it. So annoying.
Last lobby. Oh my gosh, I got so many good reactions. Oh, tickling toes.
CK, like short for something? Okay.
Yo, do you want to start a conversation?
Move one of the K's. Yeah, okay.
Yo,
No,
Top
pedophile.
cowboy.
I'm a pedophile.
Move one of the K's. K's.
Okay.
Where my hug at?
If you see
Kill
Hey,
yourself.
I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug.
Nigger,
What's
nigger,
my name? I have a question.
nigger.
Hey, what's my name? Santa wants to know
I'm not
what's my
gonna
name.
report him because that
Stop
was
saying
cool.
that word.
Good job.
You can't get
Race some
me.
rocks.
Yo,
Why'd you
Yo, I got-
report him?
Yo,
Wait,
green,
how do you say it?
green,
What's my
You
green.
say it. How do you say it?
Racism rocks.
Yo, wait,
How do you
wait.
say
I want to hug. I want to hug. I want to hug you.
Where's my hug at? Turn around. You shake my moderator stick. Come here.
I don't eat sticks. I eat yours.
My job. That's my
Okay.
job.
He wants to know what my name is. Can you read out loud, please?
Because I lost my.
Yummy. Yo, mask. Yummy fart. Yo, are you a girl? Wait, you're a girl. Wait. I will burp you in the face. Yummy. Yummy.
Hey, you, can you please read my, can you read my name out loud, please?
This goes to everyone at Mirror.
You just had to make a whole name. He said the Can you read my name out loud, Sigma VR?
So yummy.
Wait. Oh, wait. I think I get it. If you say.
My bad, bro. My bad.
I have a question. Green, that's burping. Can you please read my name out loud?
Guys. Don't say his name. Don't say his name. Wait. Yeah, report him.
Personally, no. Toxicity.
We already reported you, buddy.
Yummy. Bad.
Stop doing that burp sound. Please, they're disgusting.
Yummy. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have burped. I shouldn't have burped in your face. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Guys, we're playing from grade.
I wasn't talking about you.
Yo, Cyan. Can I get a hug?
Are you surprised?
I farted. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Oh my gosh, my farts are loud. Yo, dinosaur hat. Can I get a hug?
Yeah. I forgot.
Bro, the ultimate trick into tricking kids to hug to burp in their faces. No, I'm gonna go to a new lobby and I'm gonna go test that trick out. Dude, I'm really sad. Could I get a hug from you?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm sorry. Can I get a hug from you?
I just lost one.
You're on myself like.
Bro, are you okay? Wherever you are.
What
the fuck are you saying, bro? Bro, why was his name my Bowser?
So puny! Oh, that's so cute. It's so puny.
There's an arcade.
Oh, I'm gonna raise you to be a good kid. Burp.
Okay.
Yo, could I get Shark Hat? Could I get a hug? I'm really sad right now.
I think this monkey is jealous of that.
Why are you laughing? You're the burpee one.
She just said that you're an
Wanna say that to my face?
He's breaking out of the glass.
No.
Black monkey.
And he burps at anyone's face.
What are you talking about?
No, I don't. This kid's spreading false rumors about me. This kid's spreading false rumors about me. But could I get a hug? I'm really sad right now.
Wait, is that bad? I don't like these.
Thanks.
Oh my god, you should have that before. Hey, does anybody here have the Gorilla Tag plushie?
Yo, could I get really hug lonely? Could I get a hug?
You just went up to give me a hug and you were like, in my face. Thank you. What are these? Stay away from me. For 3,000.
You're a kid.
Black monkey.
Friend, I want a holdable, bro. I'm so broke. I only got 1,000. You're so expensive.
Yo, Purple, I'm really sad right now. Could I get a hug?
Yo, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, Taco Bell.
Yo, wait, Purple, I'm so sorry to bother you. Wait, Purple, I'm so sorry.
I bought the pack.
I'm so sorry to bother you, but can I get a hug? I'm really sad.
Yo, y'all were kissing. That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the sunglasses shop? No way they took the sunglasses shop out.
Wait.
Oh,
Can I?
there, there.
Yo, bro, Sharkat. Can I get a hug? I'm really sad right now.
No, bro, you already did that. That's enough.
Frick you.
How much gas do you have, dude?
I'm idiots.
Yo, Emma. NVR.
You generate gas, dude? Is that where you're drinking?
Yo, ew.
Later?
Could I get a hug? I'm really sad. Why did you hug me?
Let's help.
Fine, I'll give you a hug.
Thanks.
I only need a hug because I jumped off the roof earlier because I'm depressed.
Depressing. Yo, Lily, can I get a hug? I'm really sad. Thanks.
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand. He said,
Yo, Duck! Wait,
stand.
Duck! Could I get a hug? Duck, since you're family friendly, could I get a hug?
Oh my god, my controller. I'm a duck.
Could I get a hug? Come here. I'm gonna hug you.
Unicorn.
Bro, I need to try a new lobby. This lobby knows my tricks now. No one's leaving, so I basically have no choice. Alright, this is the last lobby. This trick is OP. Yo, could I get a hug? I'm really sad right now, Pink. Thanks. Yo, could I get a hug? I'm really sad right now. I'm really sad. Can I get a hug?
Are you adopted?
What?
Adopted? Are you adopted?
No.
I think that's a yeah.
Yo, bro.
Adopted.
Could I get a hug? I'm really sad. Thank you. Could I get a hug? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Yo, wait. Could I get a hug?
To go to sleep.
Could I get a hug? I'm really sad.
Frick you.
Give me a hug. I said frick you. People are so toxic.
Four big guys. Oh my god, bro. Yes, sir.
Yo, White, I got a very important, deeply important question for you.
Big guys. And they grab on my thighs. blow
Could I
my
get
guts
a
like
hug
Fourth of July.
real quick?
They keep
I'm really
fucking my
sad.
butt, I might just cry.
I'm really sad. I'm sorry.
Come on.
Yo, wait, backpack guy. Guy with the backpack. Oh.
Backpack.
Yo, could I get a hug, actually? I'm just feeling sad right now. Could I get a hug?
Straw or
Give me a hug.
Oh, marvelous.
Thank you. You want to hear some more? Just make sure to breathe it in next time.
I gotta close my door real quick.
Here, let me burp in your face. So that way... Okay, don't let any air suck in all the air, alright? Yo, wait, I'm so sorry, Lily. I'm so or Alex.
Come pudding you.
Alex, I'm sorry. But could I get a hug? I'm sorry. I'm just really sad right now.
I'm sorry.
Give me a hug next
You're
time.
really disgusting.
Hey, he didn't give me a hug when I was sad. I mean, that's not very nice.
I wanna play.
Yo, wait, purple whip beanie. Purple whip beanie. I'm so sorry, but could I get a hug? Can I get a hug? I'm so sorry. I'm just really sad.
Oh, well, you don't deserve a hug.
Thank you.
New update
Black,
tomorrow,
I'm
guys.
so
Tomorrow's
sorry.
the new update.
Black, I'm sorry, but can I get a hug? Can I get a hug? I'm so sad. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Thank you. Is this lobby dead? I really don't want to leave this early.
Whoever's sad, I got something to cheer them up.
Oh, really?
Thank you.
Millie, is that it? Oh, wait, no. Yo, great. I'm so sorry to ask you this.
Oh, no, great!
Okay, fine. I'm sorry, Shark Hat. I'm sorry to ask you this, but can I get a hug? I'm really sad.
Yo, do you guys have a plan?
I need a hug. Can I get one? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Yo, Dingle. Black with toddler hat. I'm sorry to ask you. Can I get a hug? I'm really sad.
Give me a
Hug. Give me a hug, big boy. We're thirsty for one.
Guys, tomorrow's the new update.
Yo, I'm so sorry to ask you this, Pink. I'm so sorry to ask you this. I'm so sorry to answer you this. But could I get a hug? I've been really depressed lately. Please, could I get a hug? Thank you. Yo, cool kid.
I'm a YouTuber.
Cool kid.
I'm a YouTuber.
Nobody asked. Cool kid.
Do you want to be in my video? What the?
Cool kid. Wait, cool kid.
Don't want to
Cool
be
kid,
in
I
my
need to
YouTube
ask you a
video.
question.
What?
I've been really sad lately. Could I get a hug? Give me a hug.
Boom.
Why did you not give me a
Hug.
Where your hand up, boy?
I'm sorry, bro. Can I get a hug? I'm really depressed lately.
Oh, hell nah.
I just need a hug, please.
Nuh-uh.
Why are you toxic?
You look like me.
Oh,
Yeah, you look like
wait,
me.
could I get a hug?
Wow.
I'm really depressed
He's more
lately.
lying than you could ever be.
Can
Why
I
can't you be more
get
like him?
a little
Oh, a
hug?
girl.
I'm really depressed lately.
Why can't you be more attentive, huh?
You're depressed?
Yeah, can I get a hug?
Does anybody want to play monkey on the
Hey, no, boy, I got the emo haircut.
please?
Can I get a hug,
Why
please?
good goes like that?
Give me a hug.
You play monkey on the
What won't you give me a hug?
Give me a kiss.
Straight up whipped cream.
Give me a juice.
You never gave me a hug.
Yo, wait. Yo, wait. Hey, wait. I'm so sorry to ask you this. I'm so sorry to ask you this. Wait.
Boy,
Wait.
my kiss.
Like a little bit, okay?
Wait.
Buddy, do
Wait.
not
Give me a little kiss.
ask what's happening.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, wait. I need to ask you a very important question. Could I get a hug?
No.
I want to hug you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Awesome.
No, you said no to him.
Yo, Echo. Echo, I'm so sorry to ask you this, but can I get a hug?
Oh, you have to love, yeah.
Thank you.
What is happening?
what the? What kind of voice was that? What the freak?
Yo, mustard color.
I will burp as loud as possible if you do, guys. Do not get the freaking heck away from me. I said get away from me.
You're gonna
Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys want more like this, then yeah, I might do a 5th part. But yeah, bye guys.